This is how you figure out how many VIP points you have and if you have any $10 coupons at this time. So you log into your Monat website where you make your purchases, and at the top you will see a section that says VIP points. So click on that and it will come to another page that shows you a lot of different information. Has your current reward points, your total rewards points, and then this right here I think is super important. This is if you have any current rewards available. And this particular VIP has a $10 reward that she can use on her flagship or a regular order. And she has a $10 reward that expires on October 5th. And this is the coupon code that she will use when she checks out. You'll put it in the promo code section when you're looking at your cart. So this is super important. This does remind you that the rewards expire 90 days after they are issued. And you earn 1 reward point for every dollar you spend. Again, this particular VIP has 212 points total over time. So she would have received 2 $10 rewards by this time. And now she's like trying to earn her third $10 reward. And if she gets 88 points, so she spends 88 more dollars, she'll get VIP plus access. This means you get a surprise and delight, like reward and extra product. So I just wanted to show you that information because I felt like it was super important to make sure you were getting coupons, you knew where to find them, and you weren't missing them. So let me know if you have any questions.